Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Vechain, whose current price stands at the $0.02807 mark, and here on TradingView the market is up by 2.37%. And in this video I want to give the key scenarios that I expect to play out, basing my analysis on the Elliot waves and the Fibonacci's, and also the key areas of support and resistances, and also show you the key patterns that we have information on this chart. So if you're interested in such content, make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And I'll kickstart the video by giving a brief of what has been happening on this chart. Vechain from the all-time high has been seeing lower prices in this massive ABC correction, and at the moment the buyers and the sellers are a bit indecisive on where to take the market next, because we are seeing much of a consolidation down here. And to note, using the Fibonacci's, Vechain is at a very critical area because we lost a key area here on the Fibonacci's, that is the Fib level 0.88, which is a key area here on the Fibonacci's for cryptos. And if I get to the key scenarios that I expect to play out on this chart, I'll zoom out this chart. Here on the daily chart, you can see that we had been trading within this channel, and yesterday we managed to break above that to the upper side of the channel. We even managed to break above a key area of resistance at around the $0.02649 mark, and we have continued pushing to the upper side. Here on the daily chart, we are also trading above the 20-day MA and the 50-day MA. If I also go to the 4-hour chart for further analysis, on the 4-hour chart, we were also trading within this descending channel, and we also managed to break to the upper side, taking us above that key area of resistance, and we have continued pushing to the upper side. And now that you have broken above a key area of resistance, and on the lower time frames like the 1-hour chart, you can see a retest of this area, it's possible that we might continue pushing to the upper side. And that movement, I expect us to even break above this key area of resistance at around the $0.029 mark. And once we have a retest of that area, even continue pushing even higher. Here on this chart, we can also use the Elliot waves to have a target area for that breakout to the upper side. And from this low that we have here, we can have that as the low for the wave 1 of the Elliot wave. Then we saw a wave 2. Then a wave 3 is what is in formation. Then we expect a wave 4 and a wave 5 to complete a higher Elliot wave count 1. And in that movement to the upper side, we can try and have a target area for that breakout and the wave 3 to the upper side. And that will be using the trend-based Fibonacci's, connecting the low of the wave 1 to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low for the wave 2. That should give us a target area at around $0.3326 mark, which perfectly coincides with the key area of resistance. And once we get to that area, maybe we can get rejected and have a pullback in what we can term as a wave 4, then see another reversal to the upper side in a wave 5. So those are the key movements that I expect to play out on this chart. If I also take a look at the indicators here on the RSI, you can see that we are trading at around the 67 mark. We are just about to enter into the overbought region, and that would mean we might maybe continue pushing a little bit higher and then have a pullback here on the RSI to try and create room for us to continue pushing higher. Or maybe once we get rejected, that movement here on the RSI will be supported. If we also take a look at the MACD, on the MACD you can see we are losing the volume here on the MACD, and soon we might print a bearish cross. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep you updated.